Hello guys, how are you? Hope everything's great. As always, we're gonna be analyzing USDCAT. I see a big potential for a sell coming soon. Let's start with it. So as always, we do our top-down analysis. I have two areas already marked here, two areas that I used to call area of interest, IOI. So we are the weekly. I always love to use the line chart. In that way, we can follow better market structure. As you can see, as you can see, we were like on a downtrend, then we started going to the upside, and now we're starting a downtrend again. So the last higher low was this one, higher high was this one, then we're supposed to stop at this area to create a new higher low to then create a new higher high, but it didn't happen. So we broke structure to the downside, and that makes the momentum to the downside. So this trade is already bearish. So because after this lower high, we broke the previous low, swing low, and then we have this one has a lower low, and now we should respect this area right here to create the leg of the lower high to then continue to the downside. So if we want to mark it out as a reference, I always do. So I put this, then I have here already templates. So this is weekly. I copy and paste. So we have this as a weekly, lower high, lower low, and then here I always like to fix it out. And then I can recognize it super fast. So this is bearish. Let's go for the daily. So we know already on the weekly we have bearish. We are bearish. So on the daily, let's see what we see. This, as you can see, this IOI was already well respected. It has multiple taps, has a resistance, has a support. When we are under, we're selling. When we are above, we're buying. So here, like we can see, the last one was support. Then we go to the upside. Now, if we follow market structure, we're gonna see this one has a lower high, lower low, lower high, and then we break lower low. Now we're expecting for price to create a new lower high to then have a trend continuation to the downside. So looking to that, I would love to mark this one has the lower high. This is the daily and lower low. This one here. I also can get this one has a lower high for the daily, but I don't know. I will get this one here. It's better for me. So now that we know that the daily is bearish as well, we have two confluences. Bearish. Let's see 4 hours where we are. 4 hours. So 4 hours as well. We can see the IOIs were respected. So now we see price is having the pullback, the retracement to the area that we want to target for a good sell. Remember that because this is the downtrend market, we want to secure positions, so we want to wait for the sell to happen. If you're a risky trader, you can do counter trade from this area with a nice entry confirmation to this area right here, targeting 2.53. But we are safe. We want to get the trade from this area to follow the long-term continuation. So looking into that, if you want to see, like, if you want to mark market structure on the H4, we have this one has the higher high. Well, no, it's a lower high because you already break here. So this is as well bearish. So because we have three confluences bearish, that's good that we wait for price to get to this area. So this is bearish as well. Write it down. Oops. Bearish. So we go back to the daily. We take out the line chart. EMA is pulling back, it's going down to this area around. So we're expecting, so we're expecting for the EMA to go here. In that way, price can touch the EMA and start putting down. This is the prediction that we have. This is a good probability to trade for a downtrend. Looking that we have weekly, daily, and right now 4 hour. The 4 hours should turn bullish to get into that daily lower high. So this is could be a nice trade. Remember, I'm always be posting this on my Telegram channel. I'm gonna be sharing on the description, and also I'm always documenting what is happening on the everyday trader on my social media. So pretty simple. We're gonna be waiting just for the price to come up to this area. I'm just gonna put alarm on the previous structure point of the daily. That is this one. In that way, we have like notification when we are there. We start tracking the trade, and like for now, we can get an easy 2 hour now. But as I mentioned, let's wait for price to get to this point, and then we start looking for sells. So, hope you like this top-down quick analysis. Let's see what we got. Stay tuned on the Telegram channel and on my Instagram. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.